Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Audi Q5 side mirrors. To begin, find the mirror control knob, typically located on your driver's side door panel. This knob allows you to select and adjust each mirror. Simply rotate it to the left or right mirror icon to choose which side you want to adjust. Then, gently push the knob in the desired direction to position the mirror glass for optimal visibility. Your Audi Q5 offers convenient automatic mirror functions. You can enable automatic folding through your car's infotainment system, usually under Vehicle Settings and Central Locking. Once activated, your side mirrors will automatically fold inward when you lock the car, protecting them in tight spaces. They will then unfold automatically when you start the ignition, ready for your drive. For manual control, simply turn the mirror adjustment knob to the designated folding icon, usually at the bottom position. This will fold the mirrors inward. If your mirrors aren't folding or unfolding as expected, first verify the automatic settings in your infotainment system. Persistent issues could suggest a motor problem or a wiring fault, which might require professional inspection. Proper mirror adjustment is crucial for safe driving, so always check them before you set off. Utilizing the folding feature in tight parking areas or automatic car washes can prevent damage. Remember, specific features can vary slightly between different Audi Q5 models, so always consult your vehicle's owner's manual for the most accurate and detailed information. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.